Alright guys, after finally getting offloaded in Iowa, those guys are finally able to get that off the truck. Now I'm in Litchfield, Illinois. This is what I picked up, some bamboo. And I'm going to New York with this. This load, I was expecting it to be like 2,300, 2,800. And then they end up posting it for 15. So I'm going that way anyway, so I just snatched it. I learned my lesson from Colorado. I got held up in Colorado with that load. And you know, that's 2,000 miles on a Friday. And I wasn't able to get anything coming back. So the good thing, well, I got some detention pay for that second little load I had in Colorado. The one was for $400 for $430 for 2 miles. But then I ended up, because they didn't have the right address and they held me up, I ended up getting another $300 behind that, guys. So that helped out, and that closed the gap on this one right here. And now we're going to New York. So I think I got like eight hours driving time left. So we should make some good time. I'm trying to get back for the fight Saturday night. And then next week I'm gonna take a little time off. I may go check my brother out in Georgia, or take a trip down to Texas. So that's where we at with it. Hold up. I gotta put in a new address here. We gotta get to New York. So let's see. I'll put that. Let's see. It's all right out here, man. It's like an old town. Nothing going on. Look like they used to have saloons out here. I would shoot it out with the sheriff. I could just see them with their horse and buggies. Yeah, but this is Litchfield, Illinois. Litchfield, Illinois, guys.
Turn right on Illinois 16.
16, damn. All right, signing off. I'll check back in with you guys when I get to New York. The gentleman said 11, 12 o'clock tomorrow, so let's see what's up. If I could get it there by then. Or else Monday morning. I'll tap back in with you guys. I see a Smokey over there.